Everyone is doing great. Today we will open air filter without key, Passion Pro bike. First we have to take I didn't have this bike that way. I'm taking 10 number and 11 number tool, and we have to open this nut total. If you have key means at this back side it will be there, and we will push for this down means it will come. We can open the seat, but I didn't have this key that way. I am opening this nut and I am doing like this. Now seat will open. See, I pull that down and I am removing seat. See guys, now I am removing the seat. See, now it is came. In Activa 5G we will get this screwdriver. We will get one like this and another one like this. We have to keep, and we have to open this nut first of all. After that we have to open this nut. See, we open these two nuts and we have to remove like this. And this is the air filter box. We have to open this 5 nuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, now we have removed these 5 nuts. And we have to open this box. See, this is the bike air filter. We have to do like this, and we have to open. Now it is clean because just 1 month back I changed the air filter. Now I will give for cleaning. After 1 year or 2 years I will change the air filter. It became black means I will change the air filter. Now we have to keep like this, and like this we have to keep. Again we have to fit like this. We have to see same position, and like this we have to keep. And we have to take 5 screws and we have to keep. We have to turn it for right side. See, now air filter open, and I cleaned the air filter and I kept it. Now we have to take again this box, and we have to keep first of all like this. And we have to keep this last nut. I didn't have this bike key, that's why I'm using something TVS Apache key. See guys, this bolt is went off because it is broken. That way we have to open this one nut. See, now we have to open same like that only. See, now I am on the key, but it is not coming. First we have to check in battery. There is power in the battery or it is not there. First we have to keep any steel one like this, and any screwdriver you can take. First I kept like this. See, there is a power in a battery. That's why it is shocking. See some fire like it is coming. That way there is in battery power. There is power in battery. That why we have to take fuses first of all. See, like this we have to open. First of all we have to see fuses. First we have to remove fuses, and it is nicer. We have to check. After that we have to keep back in that. And we are working. It is not working. Now self also not coming, but the kick will work. See, it is working, and we have to come. We have to go to battery, and we have to remove first fuse, and spare fuse we have to keep. Now the light is not coming. That's why I am removing the red fuse. Now I am keeping the new fuses. 2 new fuses, blue color ones. I didn't got red color fuse. That's why I kept new 2 fuses. We have to go to meter, and we have to check there is coming light on the meter or not. We came near the meter, and I am on the key. See, now it is coming. It is showing petrol meter and trip meter and odometer. It is 140 speed, but how much speed it will go I don't know. There is neutral braking, and it is light one, and this is side stand. See, now I am pressing the self start button. See, now it is working. In this petrol not, that way it is not starting. Now we have to close the fuse box, and we have to keep like this. After that we have to take the box like this. We have to take, and we have to keep like this. And we have to take the seat, and we have to keep. We have to take the seat, and we have to keep like this. We have to say first of all, and these two lockets is there now. These two we have to keep in this both. See, like see, I keep like this. Now it is fixed. See, it is not coming up. After that we have to keep this nut. Now I am fixing the nut. See, now I am fixing the nut. It is tricky, but we have to take another toolkit. Nicely it will fit, but I didn't have that toolkit. Now I fitted the lock and nut. Now seat will not open. We have to open the seat, means we have to remove that nut and we have to do down, because I didn't have key. That's why I did. We have to I have closed air filter box and battery box. Now the meter is working and self start button RN. See, RN is working. Indicators also working. See the light on indicators, because like this it is showing. I have to change the indicators somehow that will have. And now I am saying how to fit the RN. This RN is stopping working. That way it is my car RN. I changed my car RN. It is another. It is old car. It is my old RN, and I kept like this, and I fixed this nut, and I gave 2 pins like this, and now it is working.